When the incomparable Lord Atisha was staying in Nyethang, he suddenly became quite ill. He supplicated Tārā and requested her intervention. The noble goddess appeared before him and told him that to cure his sickness, he must recite the praise to the 21 forms of Tārā at least 10,000 times in a single day. Atisha replied that it would be impossible for him to do so, and asked if there were another way. Tārā replied by granting him this extremely concise praise. Coming from Tārā herself, this praise is said to be highly blessed. An extremely concise praise of the 21 Tārās, attributed to Atisha. I submit obeisance to Tārā, she who is both exalted and revered. I prostrate to Tārā, the courageous Savuras, who dispels all fear with Tut Tārā and grants all with Torah. With Svaha, I offer my final homage.